Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Dogeus Maximus token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Dogeus Maximus, in the age of digital empires, one Doge rose above all others, clad in imperial armor, bearing the wisdom of ancient Rome and the spirit of the internet. Greatest meme, Dogeus conquered the blockchain not with force but with memes. From the Colosseum, of crypto to Senate of Ethereum, his legend spread across every chain and every timeline. Where others see volatility, Dogeus see opportunity. Whether others see chaos, Dogeus sees the forum. Dogeus token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion Dogeus token. Dogeus token is listed on MEX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you in this project, up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.